Hey guys, spend the day with us.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do my outfit check. Yes, I was wearing this beautiful long green dress. I love it so much and the quality is amazing. And now we are heading to town with my brother, guys. We just want to grab 1, 2, 3 things at Chicken Inn and Zua shop. So yeah, now we are heading to Chicken Inn. Look at us now. So I need a milkshake, and wow, it was tasting so good. And now we are on the way to our location number 1. If you know, you know. So guess the location number 1, and we are vibing to the music. That was the most amazing road trip that I have ever had in my life. And now ta-da! Tashika, guys, to our location number 1. It's Fuka Farm along Karoi Kariba Road or Karoi Chirundu Road. It's just by the side of the road to your left, and it's amazing. And me with the negotiation skills my way, I was just negotiating with this guard that it's $5 kupinda ndikati we don't heavy, and mind you tatombotena bheki vakazotipinda ine ma3. And now Tashika, guys, that's the place, and they have actually a nice garden. That's the truth, they have a nice garden. I love it so much. And now the tour guide auya mukadzi anzi the guy apo what ari kulive. So apa tatakuratidzwa kunogara shumba on my right hand. Yeah, on my right side ndokwa kuine macages avanodyira ayo vanga vakutiratidza kuti umu ndo madzinodyira ndo matoisira chikafu. So umune two but hanzi dzakura zvisingaiti shumba idzodzo. It's Abi and Tamba. Yes, Abi and Tamba. It's hanzi dzakura zvokutoti tisiye vari kutoexpecta kuti dziri kufa. And that's my brother there, Tashika. Uko kwakuine zvikara zvesango. Ini ndikati no, inini padhuze handizosviki. I'm not going to be very close. No, ndaramba izvozvo. And my brother was just like happy, and he was brave enough kusvika padhuze. Ndopaunoti murume. Inini ndikati kwete. And idzona dzachitanga dzikuteerera zvanga achitaura. And now that's me. Look at me. I think the distance was too much, and the lady was saying, no, you can come closer. No. And here, look at me. Yes, no, and that is. And my brother was like, take me pictures very close to the lions.
Liana.
Oh my god! Kumkoma mapotsa varumwa zvena Liana anga achiprotecta nyama yake. Anyway, guys, we're now moving on to the fish pond. So they have fish. But ndanchivabvunza kuti manje munotobvimidza here. This is the fish pond. Ndanchivabvunza kuti manje munotobvimidza here, guys, kuti fish kanzi no. And that was me, you know me with videos, and I just want to look good and I just want to record everything. Yes, that's me. And vane bar, vane braai area, and also vane some space for vanhu events akasiyana. You can go there. There's a nice place there, and it's so, I love the fact kuti akuwande vanhu. And that's me and my brother. Chamba rure. Okay, guys, so please stay tuned for number 2 location. Okay. Done at Fuka Farm. We just saw lions, there's a park, there's fish and stuff like that. And that's my brother there. I should have said a milkshake. Anyway, we are now going to location number 2, right? Yes, we're going to location number 2, guys. So let's go together. So now, guys, tata kutraya kumboita kuti create a kalava vamwe atozvijaira zverudo. But anyway, tavateti sisi ngatichibva ipafuka farm. Now we are heading to our location number 2. Guess again the location. Oh my god, the environment was just beautiful. And that's us. Ta-da! We just arrived at Spring Lodges and we turned left from the highway. We turn left, and when we turn left, guys, we just follow the arrows here. There's a spring waterfront something, and that's where we were going. Oh my god, just stay tuned. Guys, the Shika to Shika Spring waterfront, and the place is very beautiful and it's calm. If you know me best, you know that I don't like Kunukunira Nakawanda, and that was the perfect location for me. So stay tuned, guys, as we are going to enjoy our boat riding. This is the most beautiful ablution block that I've ever seen in Karoi. It's so beautiful and smart. So come here. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching
our vlog.
Bye, guys.